Itong impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte may tuturing daw na dismiss o kaya ay mababasura na ito kung hindi matatapos bago pa man ang 30 ng Hunyo. At yung paulit-ulit na pagkantala ng proseso ng impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, kinababahala na ng ilang miyembro ng mataas na kapulungan ng Kongreso. Yan at iba pang mga balita hatid ni Bombo J. Sigalvez.
May tuturing ng dismiss o ibinasura ang impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte kung hindi matatapos ang paglilitis bagong Hunyo 30, 2025. Itong iginiit ni Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino sa kanyang manifestation sa plenaryo ng Senado. Ayon sa Senador, hindi maaaring tumawid sa 28th Congress ang impeachment trial dahil sa kawalan ng constitutional authority. Paliwanag pa nito, 12 senador lamang natira sa Kongreso matapos ang eleksyon at hindi ito sapat para makabuo ng quorum.
The Senate the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte 117 days ago. Yet the trial required by Article 11, Section 3-4 of the Constitution to proceed forthwith will begin only on June 11, dangerously close to the end of the 19th Congress. This delay compromises due process and undermines our role as an impeachment court. Under the 1987 Constitution, the Senate of each Congress acts separately and independently of the Senate of the Congress before it. If we cannot conclude the trial before June 30, 2025, we must recognize this impeachment case is functionally dismissed by constitutional operation and no action can be taken by the 20th Congress on the matter for lack of constitutional authority.
Samantala, tinutulan ni Senadora Risa Ontiveros ang sinabi ni Tolentino. Git ng Senadora, sa ilalim ng 1987 Constitution, inaatasan ng Senado na ipagpatuloy ng walang pagkakaantala ang nasimulang impeachment process.
The 1987 Constitution demands that the Senate continue with the impeachment proceedings already initiated without further delay. The rulings of the Supreme Court make it clear that first, impeachment is a non-legislative function of the Senate. This is Chavez versus Judicial and Bar Council, GR number 202242, 16th April 2013. And second, that non-legislative functions of the Senate are not affected by the shift from 19th to 20th Congress. This is the case of Pimentel Jr. versus Joint Committee of Congress, GR number 163783, 22 June 2004. It is true that the 19th Congress cannot bind the 20th Congress and all unfinished business will be terminated. But this is only true for any work done by us in the exercise of our legislative functions.
Nabahala naman ang Senadora dahil sa paulit-ulit na pagkaantala sa proseso ng impeachment trial. Sobra naan niya ang paghihintay ng mga Pilipino at umaasa ang Senadora na ito na ang huling pagkaantala. Bagamat suportado raw ng Senadora na maipasa ang mga mahalagang panukalang batas bago matapos ang 19th Congress, hindi na niya maaaring ipagpaliban pa ang kanilang mga tungkulin sa ilalim ng konstitusyon. Git pa nito, ang anuman anyang pagkaantala sa pagsisimula ng paglilitis laban kay Duterte ay tahasang paglabag sa konstitusyon kung saan malinaw na dapat agad-agad simulan ng Senado ang impeachment trial.
Any further delays in commencing the trial against Vice President Duterte would violate the Constitution, which clearly states that the Senate must forthwith proceed with an impeachment trial. Hindi kapag ready na, hindi kapag convenient, kundi shall forthwith proceed. Huwag naman sana yang baliwalain. The Supreme Court has also previously ruled that the Senate is treated as a continuing body when it comes to non-legislative functions, and those include the vital duty to sit as an impeachment court.
Una nang sinabi ni Senate President Chis Escudero na nakasalalay sa mga senador sa papasok na 28th Congress kung magkakaroon ng impeachment trial laban kay VP Sara. Sa ordinaryong sitwasyon anya at sa kanya ring personal na paninindigan, dapat magdao sa susunod na Kongreso ng paglilitis sa Articles of Impeachment na patatuwirin ng kasalukuyang 19 Congress. Ngunit hindi anya maobliga ng kasalukuyang Senado ang papasok na bagong mga senador na magsagawa ng impeachment trial. Para sa Bombo Network News, ako si Bombo JC Galvez, nag-uulat para sa number 1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines, Basta Radio. Bombo!